Okay, we're going to make a little tour. This is in our Gomboyah development, a standard Philadelphia model. This is unit 10D. Coming in through the front courtyard. We're in the parking space, a little green space here. Enter the front door. It's a nice little terrace to receive visitors. This is a standard version with a few small modifications. We're in the salon, salle à manger. It's a nice big space, lots of airflow in here from the two big doors, front and back. It's the front where we just came in. We'll go back to the kitchen. This is a standard kitchen. So none of the appliances, just the basic sink, but very nicely done tile work. You can't feel it, but there's a beautiful breeze here in Gomboyah today. Coming in through this window, lots of light in here from the door as well. Here's the small toilette visiteur. Step back so you can see that. Again, very nicely tiled. There's a very nice big debra in here. Lots of storage space. And then the chambre visiteur. So a first floor bedroom, or ground floor bedroom for visitors. Could be used as an office. Some people leave this open as a dining room. I'm gonna go up the stairs. Again, nice and bright in here. Both the natural light and the electricity providing light to us. We'll go up the stairs, very nice and airy, lots of space for the heat to go to. And we're going to go into the chambre principale. This client has chosen these optional cabinets. They do take a little space in the room, but do make it quite a lot of storage. And our standard varnished ceiling, drop ceiling. Again, this is the standard version, not the luxe version. So standard fixtures here in the toilet. Very nicely done. Two windows in here. Now we'll go into the shared toilet. Second toilet with the shower. So very similar to the master bathroom. Nicely tiled shower. And back into the hallway. Going into bedroom number 2. Again, those optional cabinets are in here. And then finally into bedroom number 3 in the afternoon here. Lots of light in here. And that is a Philadelphia standard model here in Gomboyah, also available in Gomboyah and in our new developments. Thank you.